Are you feeling bloated, tired, or just off lately? It might not be stress, it might be your gut. But here's the real shocker. Some of the most common foods in your kitchen are quietly wrecking your gut health. Want to know what they are? And what to eat instead? Stay tuned. 1. White bread and refined carbs. These spike your blood sugar and feed bad gut bacteria. Swap them with whole grains like oats or quinoa for a fiber boost. 2. Artificial sweeteners. They're marketed as diet-friendly, but they actually disrupt your gut microbiome and slow digestion. Opt for natural sweeteners like raw honey or stevia. 3. Processed meats. Sausages, bacon, and deli meats are full of nitrates and preservatives that cause inflammation in your gut lining. Choose lean proteins like chicken, lentils, or fish. 4. Vegetable oils like soybean or canola. These are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which throw off your gut's balance and lead to chronic inflammation. Switch to olive oil or avocado oil. 5. Dairy. For some people, milk and cheese can irritate the gut lining, especially for lactose-intolerant individuals. Try alternatives like almond milk or fermented yogurt with probiotics. Improving your gut starts with eliminating the silent saboteurs from your plate. But if you want a powerful reset, grab my top 3 day gut cleanse. It's a simple, natural plan to help you detox, reduce inflammation, and feel amazing. Link in description. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more wellness hacks.